Look at the uniformity data on screen. It's within tolerance, but barely.
We should cross-reference the batch numbers.
All production data is logged and analyzed by the factory's central computer system. Maintain current processing speed.
Confirmed, Director. All systems green.
Recycling yield remains optimal.
All systems are green. Production is stable.
If we adjust the extrusion rate here, the tensile strength should improve according to the schematic. By adjusting the parameters in the model, we can refine the extrusion process on the pilot line. Yeah, that should increase yield while maintaining the required strength.
Essence. This data suggests we need to inspect the turbine seals immediately.
The Advanced Factories Sustainability Program tracks energy and water usage, aiming for minimal waste in durian shell recycling.
The Advanced Factories Sustainability Program tracks energy and water usage, aiming for minimal waste in durian shell recycling.
Here. As you can see on screen 3, the automation protocol significantly increases processing speed while reducing waste.
The data flow confirms the issue originated in Sector Gamma.
Ensure all automated systems are secure before the next cycle.
Cybersecurity protocols are active. Data integrity is confirmed across all units.
The abort sorting system is showing a data.
How widespread is the anomaly?
Data breach. How isolated?
This batch meets all the global recycling standard specifications. I agree. The throughput efficiency is significantly improved this quarter.
The data confirms the reaction is stable at this temperature. Look at the breakdown here.
This changes everything. Durian Renew Solutions is revolutionizing sustainable packaging.
The robotic sorting arms are incredibly precise. We should highlight this in the digital campaign.
So the robotic arms transfer the shells here, and the shredder processes them instantly.
Exactly. The data flow confirms minimal.
Documentation confirmed for Berlin. Compliance checked out. Barcode scan verified.
Excellent. Prep the Tokyo crate next.
Jinx. Air quality levels remain well within regulatory standards.
Water discharge is also consistently clean.
Here. The air sensors confirm emissions are well below regulatory limits.
The water samples look clean too.
We're updating our quality control protocols. This automation specialist role is crucial for integrating the new robotic sorting systems effectively.
We're expanding our automation department, creating new specialized roles in quality control.
The training program ensures everyone meets the certification standards.
Initiating the new sequence. Systems check green. The recycling rate has increased significantly.
Efficiency is up 20%.
The precision upgrade is working perfectly. Look at the consistency.
All checkpoints verified. Drill complete.
Acknowledged. Workplace safety protocols confirmed.
These are our certified suppliers in the primary region. We must ensure compliance.
The latest audit reports on the tablets confirm their certification is active for Q3.
Sourcing must only go through certified suppliers, as outlined in this chart.
What about the discrepancy noted here in the document?
That falls under the updated quality protocol we'll discuss next.
Production costs are stabilizing, but supplier 12 still exceeds the target KPI.
We should flag that for review immediately.
Look at the utilization metrics here. We're over budget on the assembly line.
If we reallocate 5% to automation, we can reduce that variance significantly.
The IT systems provide real-time data visualization, allowing us to monitor key performance indicators and optimize the production flow instantly. Look at the OEE metrics. We're up 5 points since the morning shift.
Production yield is stabilizing across all lines.
The system adjustments are working perfectly.
These samples show a higher yield than the last batch. Good.
Let's adjust the settings on the main conveyor and rerun the simulation.
The advanced Durian shell recycling factory's energy management system uses renewable sources to power production where possible. This route is optimized. Confirm the manifest.
Confirmed. Tracking initialized.
Materials flow steady. We are ready to seal the container. The feedback loop data is stabilizing. Good. Integrate the durability metrics into the design schematics now. The projection looks solid.
The AI is predicting a 20% increase in demand next quarter.
We need to adjust the intake schedule immediately.
The materials are fully compliant with the international recycling standards.
Excellent. I am updating the certification log now.
Measurements. The sorting algorithm efficiency is up by 15%. Yet,
that exceeds our projections for the new robotic arm integration.
Override the primary valve sequence. We need to isolate the flow before it cascades.
Confirmed. Isolation successful.
So as you can see on the screen, we take the mature shells and process them here. This factory transforms the waste into eco-friendly new products.
We need to adjust the temperature set point immediately. Ramping it down now. Ensure the agitation speed compensates for the change in viscosity.
Let's make circular traces. The heat map highlights significant variance in machine-machine output.
The red indicates areas needing immediate attention.
These metrics confirm the efficiency of the new route to the U.S.
Agreed. The digital documentation platform has streamlined customs.
Look at this schematic. Repositioning the AGV charging station here boosts throughput by 20%.
That aligns.
As you can see, our zero waste initiatives are exceeding expectations. We've achieved an 85% diversion.
The mass spec confirms trace contaminants in batch 4.
Composition analysis shows high lignin content within specification. This virtual tour provides an immersive look at our assembly line, highlighting how the robotic arms and conveyor belts optimize the workflow.
This sample shows promising maturity.
This sample is promising for certification.
The Advanced Factories Logistics Network ensures timely delivery to customers and distributors worldwide. Our goal in HR is to support your professional growth. This training module is the first step in our new continuous development program.
The modern factory's maintenance schedule is optimized using predictive analytics and IoT sensors. Monitoring these real-time metrics allows us to identify anomalies immediately and optimize energy consumption across the board.
This bioplastic prototype has the tensile strength we need.
And it's fully biodegradable, sourced directly from the durian shells.
The allergen warning placement seems slightly off spec here. Let me verify the tolerance. It should pass, but we'll flag it for review.
We must ensure the documentation is finalized before the vessel docks in Rotterdam.
Agreed. My team is preparing the customs manifests now for the durian shells.
Lisa.
We've exceeded the Q2 efficiency target.
Primarily in the assembly line.
However, the energy consumption metrics are lagging.
The mature factory's digital monitoring system provides real-time updates on every stage of the recycling process.
The efficiency rate is up another 10% this quarter. That puts us ahead of the bioplastic production targets.
The new sorting protocols are working perfectly.
As you can see, the durian shell composites performed exceptionally well in the trials. This represents a major breakthrough in sustainable materials.
The dashboard clearly tracks our KPIs, showing a marked improvement in production efficiency while maintaining sustainability targets.
As you can see from the metrics here, our processing efficiency increased by 15% this quarter.
Does that align with the targets for the world-class certification?